Michael Jaafar, you're talking about those different members. There have been some strange things that have happened during these deliberations. We heard a question from the jury yesterday after the one you mentioned where they said, can we be hung on one count and not on the other? They were sent back in to deliberate after that and said, don't tell us what the counts are, but if you're deadlocked, let us know. And then we saw some jurors removed, and court officials haven't confirmed why they were removed and replaced with alternates. But do you think all of these issues, including this kind of false start mistrial, could that be an issue on appeal if there's a guilty verdict?
Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely. What the conduct of a jury obviously is always part of it, right? I mean, it's the jury system, right? So, so absolutely, and you know, kudos to the defense attorneys obviously for not waiving the jury in this case. Anytime you have a police officer on trial for anything, your luck is always better with the jury, and you see why, right? Because it's going to be very difficult to get 12 people of your peers, agree that there was misconduct. So I absolutely agree that that's a part of it, and that could be a big part on appeal. I mean, this has appealable error all over it if he's convicted now after what we've seen. Can you imagine being convicted now after having an acquittal or walking out dangled in front of you? I mean, that would be something.
We'll see what happens. They're back at it. Let's do this. Let's go back now to New Hampshire, pick up our coverage of the Montgomery case. Detective Adam Bergeron, Rosa on the stand.